Ever struggle to hear music on a noisy commute? Crowded trains, loud streets, endless distractions everywhere. You crank up the volume, but it's never truly clear. Calls get muffled. Voices sound distant and distorted. Uncomfortable headphones pinch your ears after just an hour. Battery dies halfway through your workday or flight. Searching for a charger becomes a daily hassle. Switching devices is clunky. Controls are confusing. You want immersive sound without the constant interruptions. Introducing Bowers and Wilkins Px8 wireless headphones. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Industry-leading clarity thanks to a redesigned acoustic system. Ultra-high-resolution carbon drive unit delivers stunning detail. Hear every note, every nuance like never before. Advanced active noise cancellation blocks unwanted distractions. Stay focused on your music, podcasts, or calls. Improved microphone arrangement ensures crystal-clear voice calls. 2 external adjustable mics enhance call quality. No more shouting or repeating yourself during calls. Luxurious Napa leather and lightweight aluminum for comfort. All-round headband improvements fit every head shape. Soft ear cushions keep you comfortable all day. Wear them for hours. No soreness, no fatigue. 30-hour battery life powers your longest journeys. Quick charge gives 7 hours playback in just 15 minutes. Never worry about running out of power again. Perfect for commuters, office workers, and frequent travelers. Seamless setup with the B&W Music app for iOS Android. Easily adjust EQ, noise cancellation, and voice control. Switch between ANC modes with a simple button press. No complicated menus, just intuitive controls on your ear cup. Before, struggling with poor audio and constant interruptions. After, crystal clear sound, distraction-free listening, effortless comfort. Before, calls are frustrating. Voices sound muffled. After, every word is sharp, every conversation is easy. Before, headphones hurt after a few hours. After, plush comfort lets you listen all day long. Before, battery anxiety ruins your music experience. After, 30 hours of playback keeps you powered up. Before, fumbling with settings, missing your favorite tracks. After, one-touch controls and seamless app integration. Imagine your favorite playlist in stunning clarity. Imagine taking calls in busy places, no more background noise. Imagine traveling without worrying about battery life. Imagine headphones that feel as good as they sound. Industry-defining audio meets luxurious comfort. Every detail engineered for your daily routine. From the morning commute to late-night flights. From work calls to weekend playlists. The Px8 adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly. Premium materials elevate your listening experience. Lightweight, durable, and stylish in tan finish. Stand out with headphones designed for audiophiles. Enjoy music the way it was meant to be heard. Block out distractions. Focus on what matters. Stay connected wherever life takes you. No more compromise between comfort and performance. No more settling for average sound. No more interruptions during important calls. No more battery worries on long trips. The Bowers and Wilkins Px8 solves it all. Experience clarity, comfort, and convenience every day. Upgrade your audio. Upgrade your routine. Ready for true wireless freedom? Ready for immersive sound and effortless control? Ready for headphones that keep up with your life? Don't let noise and discomfort hold you back. Choose Px8 for industry-leading performance. Choose Px8 for luxurious comfort and style. Choose Px8 for battery life that lasts. Get yours today and transform your listening experience. Bowers and Wilkins Px8, hear the difference. Available now. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Your perfect audio companion awaits. Tap to learn more or order yours now. Don't miss out. Make every moment sound incredible. Bowers and Wilkins Px8. Designed for life on the go. Industry-leading audio. Advanced noise cancellation. Ultimate comfort. Experience music, calls, and travel like never before. Upgrade to Px8, where clarity meets luxury.